What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today, and I'm gonna be showing you guys today what happened today, just a recap and an update. And today it was not a bad day, nothing much happened. As you can see, my only holding for today was ticker symbol TQQQ. Right here, TQQQ is the stock that I have, and since like my total return is negative $2, just not that bad. And I'm holding it basically because I bought it when it was, I think, around here one share, and then I bought another share at around, what does it say right here? I bought one at 42.86. Um, I bought it because recently in the pattern what you can see is it has like it goes up and then it has a slight pullback, like it goes up, stays up for like 4 to 5 days, and it has a slight pullback down. That's like 5 to 10%, and the next day it goes right back up. So right here, as you can see, it was going up, and then it fell once, and then it came back up, and then it fell a little bit, and then recently it just went up, and yesterday it fell down, but today it didn't manage to get back up, and this may mean that it's consolidating now, and that may make it like this may mean that the stock may consolidate and go downward, which is also fine by me. And the only thing that's bad about it is I'd have to take this like $2 loss, which is like nothing. And I mean, it is something. It's like 1%, but still not that bad. So I would take this loss, I would sell it, and if it confirmed the downtrend on the stock, then I just switch over to ticker symbol SQQQ. It's basically the same thing except inverse of it. So this is the inverse of the S&P 500 or like the Nasdaq. I'm not sure which one it is. One of those big indexes. So what I think is going to happen is it's going to continue downtrend, but we're not sure about that yet, and I'm waiting for confirmation of either thing happening. And let's say, fine, the stock TQQQ right here, it falls down. Let's say tomorrow it starts falling. That's perfectly fine. I sell $2-3 loss maybe, and I switch over to SQQQ, and I buy in, and the potential for profit right here is also pretty nice. It can range anywhere from like $16, $15. I mean, the price can go up to 15 and a half, $16, or it could also have a big spike like it did previously, but let's not count on that. Let's say it went up to $17, so that's $3 per share. That would be about one-fifth of the price. So that's almost 20% profit on this one stock that you can make within like a week or two. Easily swing trade potential right here, and I don't think it's that bad of an idea. That's the only stock I'm really focusing now on, except for another one that's UGAS right here. I was going to buy it today, but it ended up reversing before I was ready for it, and I was just trying to get a 3 to 4% profit on it, maybe a day trade, because I got my day trades back. And what I think is gonna happen, because it has like this downward trend, but once it's trending downward, as you can see, it always has this like one pop up. Like it popped up here pretty massively, but it went up a little here, and right here recently today it went up a little bit. And what's probably gonna happen is either it could break that or it could continue, which it's probably gonna do. It's gonna fall down tomorrow, and the profit margin is not enormous. It would be like I don't know. Let's check this out. Probably like, so from $44, let's say, 43.70 to $41. That's like $2.50, let's say. That's not that bad. That would be about, let's think, 5%. That's not bad, and that's not a bad profit margin. But I'm kind of scared about this because I want it to confirm its direction, because I've been torn apart by this stock because it's doing one thing and then the next minute it just completely reverses and goes in the other direction while I'm not paying attention to the stock price because I'm busy doing something else, and then it just screws me over like that. So basically all you have to do with this stock is be pretty careful about it, and make sure you know what you're doing, because it's also a 3 times ETF, so it's pretty volatile. And so basically what I would do is look at DGAS, which is inverse of UGAS. And tomorrow, if it decides to uptrend, I may try to catch that, I don't know, what would that be? $3 to $4 gain on that stock. But I may not bother with it because I'm more focused on TQQQ and SQQQ. If it confirms the direction, the profit margins right there are way larger, and it's more like you can predict it better. That's all I have for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed my video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and have a great day.